So this is a video response to Toy, right? This guy called Toy Hamthanon. So Toy, he has a question, right? He followed the tutorial for scraping the e-com site Rockethub, but he wasn't able to get the image link. He said they tried to use the same method, shown, but he wasn't getting it. So his question is why. All right, and this is the his question. Okay, so let's see, okay, how we can resolve this. Right, so let's go back to the package that I set up. Okay, so in this scraper, I have the JSON. So this is a JSON here, right? So we should have copied and paste. Okay, copy and paste it here, and so this is so much easier for us to see. Now, anytime you want to scrape a link, right? Then whether is it for the image or for for the link to the individual product pages, right? You will need to do this. So without looking at the JSON created, right? The whole thing, because it's a bit hard when you send me like a portion of it. So you ask me what's wrong with this. It's very difficult. There's no context, right? Are you asking me if the selector is correct or what? So even if the selector is correct, you could put this into your JSON, structure, and then it may not be right either. Okay, so I would appreciate if you could make a video or something to explain your case or copy and paste the whole thing, or at least a screenshot or something. So in this case here, right, what Toy could have done is to copy this and then paste it. Paste it. Okay, one more time. And then now we can change this link, okay, to something else, right? This one is okay. We can name it anything. Image. Okay, maybe I type image. Now then, it's actually not image, but image URL. So, and then we will need to look for the selector. Okay, but before we do that, right, we will need to put a comma here. Reason is because this is not the last item. Previously, the link was the last item. Now the image URL is the last item, so we do not need to put a comma here, right? Last item is removed. But this will now become what was the last item is now the second last item. So we need to put a comma. Okay. Now we need to look for the selector. Okay, so let's go to the site. Right. So assuming things didn't change, right, we will just need to right click and click on inspect. Okay, and we are looking for what are we looking for then? The image, right? So I'm going to click on this, then click on the image. Oh no, okay, I don't want this. Let me get back to the previous page. Right, maybe I'll just right click and then click on inspect. So now you can see that what I have here is the image, right? This is the URL, okay, the link to the this image, right? That our dear friend Toy is looking for. Okay, so we'll just grab the class. First thing you do is you grab the class, and we'll just copy, right? And we will put this inside here. Okay, wonderful. So okay, so let's say this is what I have, right? Now we do not need the whole thing. We can remove and just stop here, right? And because this is a class, we just put a dot in front. Okay, that's all. Right. Now, then the next thing is we got to, because A stands for the link, right? For the previously the product link. But because we're not looking for the link to the product anymore, we need to go back and look at this. And if you look, the element is actually an IMG image. So we will come back to here and type image. Okay. And if this is too big, just going to reduce in size. Okay, so it fits. Then now the next thing is the output is not a href. Okay, we'll go back here, and if it's too small, then you will need to go and open up this page and try to look for this particular element and then see what I'm talking about. All right, and over here you have the where is it? Okay, so in front of the HTTP is actually a source, so src. So let's go back to over here and we will change the href to a sr, no, sorry, src. Right, that's it. Okay, and now if we were to copy this whole thing, go back to packages, we're going to delete this, put in the new selector. All right, um, it will work. Okay, so if I'm going to hit the run button now, okay, and it's still the same deal page. All right, it's done. So now I would have the product price, the link to the page, as well as the image link or the image URL. Okay, so if I export this now, I can have everything I need down here. So okay, so let's try one. I'm going to copy this. Okay, growth marketing on autopilot. Okay, it should be one of those. There you go, growth marketing on autopilot. Right, so this is how it is done, right? And so we have resolved this. Okay, so Toy, you know what to do, right? Like, subscribe, comment. Okay, and all the best with your learning. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.